Oh, hey, you caught me. This is where I go to get away from the office every once in a while, read my Hemmings. We have a 1955 camper here, known as the Tin Can. It's small and sporty, all aluminum outside, has some really cool wings on each side. I guess that makes it go like 50 miles an hour faster. Just kidding. But why don't we give a quick tour of the outside and then we'll get inside and check it out. Polished aluminum. It has its original character, some bumps and marks, but and this is right out of our storage. It was in our camper display. We always rotate things out, and it's been in our storage facility, and it's time to go. We haven't cleaned it in a few years. This will polish up real nice. It's got marker lights on all the corners. I'll read you the list of the restoration that was done prior to us getting it, but new gas and electrical system, new chains. Apparently this is roadworthy according to the previous owner. Has the pigtail for plugging into your vehicle. Like I said, it hasn't been polished. This will shine up real nice and pretty. Couple bumps and marks on it. Radial white wall tires. The windows do pop open. Those wings are cool. Completely unnecessary, but very cool. I like the tail lights too. It actually has 08 plates on it. I would assume this is a storage compartment. I like the rain gutter they put over it. So why don't we go inside? This step was added. Got a cool handle with the light above it. Yeah, step inside and join me. So we do have a title that goes back to the 60s. One guy owned this from 55 on up till 1963. Work that's been done in here. I'll read this from the previous owner when we bought it. New maple woodwork throughout, maple laminate flooring, solid frame, subfloor and framing, new foam and cushion covers, matching curtains, comforter was replaced, bedding, countertops with original metal edge trim, windows, doors, vents are in working order, new roof, the roof was replaced, that's important so it doesn't leak, Goodyear trailer tires, bearing service, original cooktop and ice box are in perfect working order. Stainless backsplash was installed. New propane tank and line. The griddle, the stovetop, coffee makers included. Large compartments with keys. New hitch chains. There's a new camping toilet in the cabinet. 110, so you can plug this in. It does have 110 outlets with new wiring. Very little maintenance, very tidy. It's 14 feet long. This will be easy to store, easy to maneuver. Even if you don't camp in it, it just looks really cool behind your collector car or in your collection. Just a cool piece of Americana. It's a 1955 mobile lodge, one of the earliest, smallest campers from the 50s. So, give you a quick tour. Again, they redid all the wood. Has a few vintage features, the clock, the lights. This sink is actually in really good shape. The stovetop comes with it. This is for two people, so you have a bed back here. The bedding was replaced. It's a vintage type bedding. You have 3 windows that crank open. It's like a vintage suitcase. Now this is a closet. There's a brand new in the box portable, camping toilet. That'll go with it. Now up front here, the table does fold down. This does make a bed, I'm assuming. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it makes a bed as well up here. What's really fun about these campers? It does come with a couple neat pieces, but tricking it all out, going and getting some old vintage items, some old chairs, fishing poles, really make it look cool, really make people look at it and take them back in time. kind of tight in here, but we're going to show the ice box is in really good shape, and it does drain out the bottom, I guess. You put ice in there, and that's what keeps things cool. So it is a really neat old piece, and you know, to a reasonable extent, it is usable. I don't know if I'd go camping for a week in it, but yeah, it's certainly something you can plug in and use and just have lots of fun with it. Tow this behind your 1955 car, you'll be the hit of any car show. It does have a working aluminum vent on top. It does have one cool light fixture up there. So that's the tour of the inside. Go to volocars.com. You'll see the pictures and description. Again, we're only selling a few of these items because we simply don't have the room. Someone's going to get a real neat, nostalgic piece here.